Empower and traditional bank loans solve different money problems, because one is built around short-term financial tools, while the other is a formal borrowing product with set loan terms. By the end, you'll understand how Empower compares with a traditional bank loan, what costs to compare, and what factors decide which option may be cheaper. The biggest difference is the type of money you are accessing. A traditional bank loan is a structured borrowing product where the lender provides a specific amount and you repay it according to agreed loan terms. Empower works through a financial app that provides money management tools and access to certain financial features. It is not the same type of product as a traditional installment loan from a bank. The first thing to compare is the total cost. A bank loan may include interest charges, fees, and repayment terms that affect the total amount you pay over time. Empower has its own service terms and costs depending on the features you use. Check the exact details for both options before choosing. The second thing to compare is repayment structure. Traditional bank loans usually have a fixed repayment schedule based on the loan agreement. App-based financial tools may have different access and repayment processes depending on the service. The third thing to compare is how much money you actually need. A large expense that requires planned payments may fit a traditional loan better. A short-term cash need may require a different type of solution. Before applying for a bank loan, review the interest rate, repayment timeline, and total amount you will repay. Before using Empower, review the available features, fees, and repayment details shown in your account. Another factor is approval requirements. Banks often review financial information as part of their lending process. App-based services may use different eligibility methods depending on the feature. The cheapest option is not always the one with the lowest upfront cost. The total amount you repay, how long you need the money, and whether the payment schedule fits your budget all affect the final cost. The key points are simple. First, Empower and traditional bank loans are designed for different situations. Second, comparing total costs and repayment terms matters more than looking at only one fee. Third, choosing the right option starts with knowing exactly how much money you need and how quickly you can repay it. Your next step is to write down the amount you need and compare the full costs of each option before making a decision. If this guide helped you understand Empower versus bank loans, like the video and subscribe for more personal finance guides.